This 50-amp generator cord kit provides a long 20-foot reach with thick copper conductors that comfortably handle demanding whole home or recreational vehicle loads without overheating. The included outdoor power inlet box arrives pre-drilled with generous knockouts, making it straightforward to route heavier gauge wiring cleanly from any direction during installation. A clearly visible green indicator light on the inlet cover lets you confirm at a glance that power is flowing correctly to your transfer setup before you start turning on circuits. Both the cord and inlet box carry recognized independent safety certifications, which inspires confidence when running them in harsh weather during storms or hurricane season. The twist lock plug and matching connector hold the cable firmly in place, while built-in strain relief reduces stress on the ends so the connection stays secure over repeated use. A rugged, flame-resistant jacket with strong water and ultraviolet resistance makes this cord well-suited for long-term outdoor service as a reliable link between your generator and home or recreational vehicle.